Good day, diecast collectors. We got the brand new Matchbox U case. We've actually had it for a few days. I have forgotten to do the video, but here's the brand new Matchbox case. Hope you guys are being safe. It's been a crazy couple of weeks, but without further ado, we're going to get right into U case. This Matchbox case is awesome. It's one of the better Matchbox cases in recent memory. We're going to do a top-down view of it. And we're going to go 3x3 like we normally do. So, Matchbox U. The first three cars are all the same. It's the Ford F550 Super Duty. Bright yellow. Can't miss this one. Very cool Ford. The next three in the car case are the Volkswagen. Again, all three are the same. Volkswagen Beetle convertible. It's a good view of that. It's got the 5-spoke wheels on it in the light blue. Got the headlights on the car with the VW emblem on the front and back. The next three, ooh, they're all different. Okay, so we've got, just going to go one by one on these. The Audi R8. It's like kind of charcoal gray color. It's got the Audi R8 on the front of the license plate there. The car is amazing. I don't know if you guys have seen one of those in real life, but awesome. We've got the 1935 Ford pickup that has Kingston Pop on it. Got an old-timey car. Then we've got the 2015 Mercedes-Benz G550. Got the G-Wagon in purple. Everybody loves a G-Wagon in purple. Alright, we got the next three cars. We've got the Polaris Rzr. And then we've got two of a super good car. This is the 1976 Honda Cvcc. Gotta love the Honda. It's in that old-timey yellow. The next three in the case are the Nissan Hardbody D21, another Polaris, and the Porsche 911 Rally. Reminds me of a car that I had in the 80s that was very similar. Bright green. Let's take a little bit closer look on the Hardbody here. It's got like a tire in the wheel well there with a chain. The Hardbody is pretty sweet. The next three, we've got the Crop Master, which you guys have seen that before in other years. We've got the Ford Mustang convertible. And then we got the Garbage King. The last six in the case, we've got the Polaris Rzr again. We've got the EVOQUE and the Austin Healey Roadster. Check out this EVOQUE. It's got EVOQUE on the license plate. It's a very nicely done car. Sweet. Austin Healey, which is always popular. We've got the 59 Dodge Coronet police car. That's very good looking. It says Matchbox County Patrol on the back. We've got the Matchbox Flatbed King. And then the very last one is the Ram work truck. This one's in bright green. All right, let's do a top down real quick. Let me get them all together here. This is Matchbox U, top down. This case is awesome. Also, I haven't done the giveaway for the Super, but we're gonna have to do that too this week. So, thank you again, guys. Wheel Collectors is out.